Hey everybody, we're here in the Property Revolution office today talking about why we use GAF roofing products. In my hands here I've got a GAF HDZ shingle sample, and this is our go-to shingle that we're proposing most of the time on our quotes. And sometimes people like to ask us, like, why do you recommend that product? So part of our sales process is we walk you through why we use them and why the different products that we recommend are supposed to work together. And I just wanted to provide this video with a summary of 6 reasons why we use GAF roofing products. The first is, as a company, we've tried to align ourselves with vendors and manufacturers that support us in what we're doing, so that when things go wrong, we can go to them and get the support that we need. And part of that is material warranties. So GAF has a really great team with a local rep that if we have any problems, it's easy to get a hold of him. He'll come out to the job site with us. They also have lots of training and coaching to make sure that we're, one, installing their products correctly, but also following industry best practices. So the customer service part is number one. The second reason that we installed GAF roofing products is they look good. The HDZ is the #1 best-selling shingle in the United States, and a big part of that is it looks good on people's roofs. A couple subtle things that are different than some of the other manufacturers. The way the granules are applied, the shadow line kind of recedes into the next row a little more subtly. Some shingle manufacturers will have like these blocks of shadow. Also, the color selection is really good compared to some of the other manufacturers. So I'm not saying the other manufacturers don't have good looking shingles, but we do believe that the GAF shingles look great on people's homes. The next reason that we use GAF roofing products is their warranty. And most specifically, they have a program where they will back us with a labor warranty. So a number of the other shingle manufacturers have great warranties on their products, but it covers material only. And so if you have a roof that was installed and there's a major failure, you may be on the hook for the labor to get that taken care of, and no one wants to be in that situation. And then the question that always comes up is, okay, what happens if you go out of business? Things happen, businesses go out of business. You know, if I were to step in front of a bus and Property Revolution ceased to exist, I would want to know that the people that we sold roofs to have a way to get any warranties taken care of. So GAF has a great contractor program that backs us with not only a material warranty and a cosmetic warranty, but also with a labor warranty. So when we sit down with you and go through your roof proposal, we can talk a little bit more about what that looks like. But that's reason number 3. Reason number 4, and this kind of was frustrating when I was in the field doing repairs, but these HDZ shingles are very, very sticky. In Michigan, we don't typically deal with hail as much as some of the other states in the middle parts and southern parts of the country, but we do get a lot of wind. And so having a shingle that's going to seal up and stick really good on your home and have a high wind rating, that's very important. And these HDZ shingles seal up really well. They're very sticky, and they also have an unlimited wind rating. And reason number 5 that we use GAF roofing products is ease of installation. And this doesn't affect the homeowner as much at first glance, but having this wide nailing zone is important because if a product is really hard to install and be compliant with manufacturer installation instructions, it's going to be hard to get the manufacturer warranty if something goes wrong. So GAF has made it very easy to stay compliant with their installation instructions by having a large nailing zone. And so that is better for you as the homeowner to have something that's installed on your house that's manufactured to be installed with the pneumatic nailers that are used with today's installations. Some of the other shingle manufacturers have a very narrow nailing zone. If the nails are installed outside of that zone, it could void the warranty. So we like the ease of installation for the HDZs and the other GAF products. And the other thing, as far as ease of installation goes, where it could affect you as the homeowner, is many shingle manufacturers require 6 nails to be installed in every shingle. These can be installed with 4 and still have the unlimited wind rating. A number of the other brands require the 6 nails to get the higher wind rating that those manufacturers advertise. And the problem with that is you think about a roof and what's going to go wrong over time. If a roof's going to leak, what's going to leak? Chimneys and skylights are the most common thing, followed by the individual nails through the shingle. And if you install 50% more nails in a roof, what's the likelihood of having a leak? It's probably increased by some percentage. So we like that we can install these with a lesser amount of nails. They still seal up good, and they still get that unlimited wind rating. And then the other reason we like GAF roofing products is product availability. After 2020, it was really crazy for a while with all kinds of things, from lazy boy chairs to car parts to computer parts to building materials and their availability. And GAF has a manufacturing plant actually quite near to here. And so product availability is typically not an issue. There are some specific colors that they don't manufacture as much of, but in general, GAF products are super available. They're sold in a lot of places. So if we install them on your home and at some point down the road you need a repair, it's easy to match up the color, get the product, and make sure that you're taken care of. So I hope this video helps. These are the 6 reasons why we use GAF roofing products here at Property Revolution and why we think it makes a difference on your home. Thanks, everybody.